Ever pondered the intricacies of economic growth? How do countries amass wealth and resources over time? The Harrod Domar model, an economic theory introduced following the Second World War, might just hold the answer. Henry Roy Harrod and Evsey Domar developed their respective models in 1939 and 1949. Despite their individual origins, both models share similar assumptions and outcomes, and are based on the Keynesian saving investment model. They offer a long-term analysis of Keynesian short-run analysis, with a particular focus on capital as a critical factor for economic growth. According to this model, the demand side of capital should be equal to the supply side of capital. The goal? Achieving and maintaining a steady state, where there are no fluctuations. This is where capital accumulation plays a dual role in the economy. On one hand, investment increases income due to the multiplier effect. On the other hand, investment also boosts productivity, leading to an increase in capital stock. The Harrod Domar model suggests that the rate of economic growth hinges on two things: the increase in savings leading to an increase in investment, and subsequently, an increase in output. As the capital output ratio decreases, the productivity of capital increases. The model operates under several assumptions, including full employment level of income, no government interference, and no time lags in the adjustment of variables. It also assumes that the average propensity to save equals the marginal propensity to save, and that the ratio of savings to income equals the change in savings over the change in income. Output. Harrod's model raises three key issues. Firstly, it questions how a steady state growth rate can be achieved with a fixed saving income and fixed capital output ratio. Secondly, it considers how a steady state growth rate can be maintained. Lastly, it explores how natural factors can limit steady state growth. The actual growth rate, represented by G_A, is determined by the saving income ratio and the capital output ratio. Equilibrium, or a steady state, is achieved when savings equal the investment of capital. On the other hand, the warranted growth rate, or full capacity growth rate, represented by G_W, is the growth rate where the economy is working at full capacity. In conclusion, the Harrod Domar model provides a comprehensive framework for understanding economic growth. It highlights the importance of capital accumulation, the role of savings and investment, and the challenge of maintaining a steady state. It's a model that has shaped economic thinking and policymaking for decades.